Okay, now we want to send a quotation to a business that needs a list of items to be supplied, right? So I'll show you how to create a quotation and how you can send that quotation to their email address. So let's start by going to the list quotation. And provided that you have a customer already, then you are good to go. But if you don't have a customer, then you have to create one. I've shown videos on how to create customers. If you're wondering where and how to go about that, you can come to list customers, add customers, and you fill in the whole valid fields for this customer, the group, the customer type, and every required values that needs to be added. Once you're done, then you can go back to the quotation, add quotation. So for this, we are going to make use of John Doe. I want to assume that it's this. This is the correct customer that I'm looking for. Then the next is we have to go to the list of items that we want to supply to this customer. For default, I'm going to use the default quantity and the default unit price. I have my reasons for that. And select another item. So we have this item default. Let's go to some other item. Let's say okay. Let's say this as well. So these are the list of items that we intend to supplying to these customers. And as you can see, by default, 50 kg of rice is sold for this price, 101,000. So let's just say the quotation is around three quantity. So you expect it to be times three, and two times two, and four times four. So this is the total of all for every item that has been included. And as you can see, we have a total of three um, items. But when you put in the quantities together, right? So you see we have three items. So the next thing that needs to be done is you can add your discount if you want to. Your discount can be in, let's say, it can be 10,000, right? Or it can be in percentage. Or it can be in percentage. And you can also include other values like expenses that needs to be added to the system. For example, you can say for the shipping of those items, it could cost an additional 5,000, which will be subtracted by default. So for this reason, for this, we are not going to add that. And you can also add a note. This is the this is the quotation, and we can, as you can see, we have many options. We can save and print. We can save an email, save and download. Let's do save an email because it's very important. Now, this customer has received the quotation, as you can see, right? This customer has received an email with the attachment. Let's preview this to see how it looks like. So this is the list of the quotation that is being sent to the customer or the business person. So it has the information of the customer and also the company that is making the supplies. So this is all.